this system, it has a name with the people. Abdurrahman Kariz, Ali Kariz, Sulaiman Kariz, this guy. It means the people's name, a long time ago when they dig it, they belong to him. So called it with his name. One of them, they're digging down 200 meters, and then they'll make from one to the next one about 50 meters, and another one they fix it from the underground. There were a lot of ice from the spring, and then the water gathering until this area. It is not flat, it's like up and down it. The system is starting a little upside, when it's coming down, the water comes coming the flat area, and then we can use the field. So they made this kind of systems, because for their farms need water. It must be underground. The ancestors know this one. They made it underground, I think you understand my meaning. Yeah, because the weather is hot, Turpan. If the water was outside on the ground, the water will be waste, going up the air. Because the weather is hot. The areas, the farmers is different, Not all this area belong to one person, different area. So we make a lake. When the lake full it's better to finish quickly the field, for watering. When I mine my field, my farm is finished, you do it. When you fill the lake again, we'll have a time. It was 5 or 6 years ago, let's say about. It was free. We can use it free, our field. Now for this water is also we have to pay more. And if we want also, it's difficult to get the water. And money also. Before it was free, and whenever we can eat, we can drink it in summer. I don't understand it. We had one spring also. It was very much water coming from the mountain. My mother told me. I didn't see, but my mother told me. They made it by their friends from the mountain. Suddenly they come into water, Of course they work it, they said. My mother said. They work it, they dig it, but they didn't thought coming to that kind of much water. But suddenly they come much water. Every day, don't stop it. Now it's broken, that mountain. It. Many places digging oil, That area is a government, some company found the oil area. For digging the oil, the broken that mountain, so the water is also finished now. If we have a water, its meaning if we have a food, we can do everything. Let's say, for example, the water is life, If we don't have water, we cannot live, and we can do nothing. So first is water. For example, we have many oil, let's say. What can we do it? We cannot drink it. We cannot eat it. I think if you ask me, I must say the first is water, Very important thing is water. Where there is water, there is an oasis. And people can live. Our grapes, if the Chinese people, they don't eat, we cannot finish this one, We make it, we sell to them, they eat it. Their population is many, They take it away. I told you, Shanghai, Beijing, a lot of places, they like to eat by the high price. The businessmen, they buy from us by the normal price. They can sell it, and to get the double price, they can sell it. And before, the grape was only our Uyghur people made it. Now the Chinese people also they have a farm, the grape farm also. They teach it from us, and they can make the region better than us now. It's true. So We are thinking about we are not good now. Older people, lazy. Some of them understand, some they don't know how is important this sport. Some of them know about it, some of them don't know it. Is it important or not? For example, where I am living, my village, let's say, we have a head, you know, a person tell us like something we should do, something we shouldn't. That person, they have to say to us, he said to us something, for example, like, please today or tomorrow we must clean this channel. Come to, from one family, come one person, or from this village come 5 or 10 person. Some person to do like this, yeah? When he's the person, the head, the chair, let's say these words, some people just okay, say. Some people, why we do like this? This water is coming.
Ada, ben şunu sen bulam da. Ha? Şunu sen bulam da. Şey hemen yukarı tarafı nasıl tutar? Ayak tarafı yok. Hocam şu an çağrısı. Daha çok dinleyin. Hey!
As they don't know how is important this channel. In fact, they must know it. Yeah, they must know.